Hello friends, welcome to my video. In this video I am going to show you how can we set restrict privacy on our Facebook account on timeline. In this setting only you can post future posts on your Facebook account. Let's start. Before to start, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos, for future videos. Let's start. First of all, you need to go on your home page of your Facebook account. You need to log in your Facebook account. If you are logged already, then directly you will be go on your main dashboard. When you go on your dashboard, on right hand side you will see on upstairs three lines. You need to click on three lines and need to go down and press on settings. When you press on settings, then will be open one main page, and in third box you will see third option, timeline and tagging. You need to click on timeline and tagging, and first option is who can post on your timeline. You need to click, and if you want your friends also use your timeline to post on your Facebook future posts, then you need to click friends. If no, only me, like me, is click on this one, and then is selected, then it's done. I want to explain what is the timeline. Timeline is your post. For example, I post here one photo, okay, and this photo, it's timeline. If when will be go to all my friends, it's mean, for example, I post this machine and post view post. This is my timeline. It's mean if anybody other can't use your timeline to post videos, photos on your account. I hope you enjoy my video and understand every step. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.